Having immunity is like holding a shield or wearing a protective armor that keeps the unwanted invaders away. The immune system is composed of cells, tissues, and organs that work unitedly in protecting our body. The system defends us from the trespassing pathogens in a variety of ways. The ability to tackle these pathogens and being healthy is referred to as immunity. Basically, immunity is of two types: innate and adaptive or acquired. Innate immunity is present at birth and protects the body from foreign substances like viruses, bacteria, and parasites. It works by triggering a rapid immune response when a pathogen attacks. It is the body's first line of defense. It responds in the same way to all pathogens and foreign substances, which is why it is sometimes referred to as the non-specific immune system. It acts very quickly. If the innate or general immune system fails to destroy the pathogens, the adaptive or acquired immune system takes over. The adaptive immune system specifically targets the type of pathogen that is causing the infection. But to do so, it first needs to recognize the pathogens as such. This means that it is slower to respond than the innate immune system, but it is more accurate when it does respond. It also has the advantage of being able to remember those pathogens. So the next time the adaptive immune system faces a pathogen it has already met, it can start fighting faster. Active immunity is acquired through exposure to a disease organism, either through infection or vaccination. Natural immunity is acquired from exposure to the disease organism through infection with the actual disease. Vaccine-induced immunity is acquired through the introduction of a killed or a weakened form of the disease organism through vaccination. This type of immunity can be long-lasting. Passive immunity is provided when we are given antibodies to a disease rather than producing through our own immune system. A newborn baby acquires maternal immunity from its mother through the placenta. We can also get artificial immunity through antibody-containing blood products such as immunoglobulin, which may be given when the immediate protection from a specific disease is needed. The major advantage to passive immunity is that protection is immediate, whereas active immunity takes time, maybe several weeks to develop. However, passive immunity lasts only for a few weeks or months, while active immunity is long-lasting. Immunity is an important prerequisite to our health and well-being, as it protects us against disease, helps the wounds to heal, helps the body to adapt to new threats and challenges, helps the body to recognize and neutralize harmful substances in the body, and helps the body to fight disease-causing changes in the body such as cancer cells. Having realized the significance of strong immunity, in our following presentation, we will explore the ways to strengthen our immunity. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to BoosterShots. Together, let's bridge the gap between science and society, one video at a time. Thanks for watching.